The next of kin is a legal and familial term used to identify the closest living relatives of an individual. It is a designation that holds significance in various legal and social contexts, including medical decisions, inheritance, and emergency situations. The next of kin is typically the person or persons considered to have the closest blood relationship to the individual in question. The concept of next of kin is rooted in the idea of familial hierarchy and proximity. The next of kin is often called upon when important decisions need to be made on behalf of an individual who is unable to make those decisions themselves, such as in cases of medical incapacity or end-of-life care. In such situations, the next of kin's role is to represent the individual's interests and preferences, acting as their legal agent. One of the most common contexts where the next of kin is relevant is in healthcare. When a person is unable to make medical decisions due to illness or injury, medical professionals may turn to the next of kin to provide consent for treatment or to make decisions about the course of care. This designation is crucial for ensuring that the individual's wishes and best interests are taken into account when medical choices need to be made. In the legal realm, the next of kin plays a pivotal role in matters of inheritance and estate distribution. When an individual passes away without a will or testament, the next of kin often becomes the primary heir and is responsible for managing the deceased person's assets and affairs. In this context, the next of kin's role extends beyond medical decision-making to include handling legal and financial matters. The determination of who qualifies as the next of kin can vary by jurisdiction and can be influenced by cultural and legal factors. In many cases, the spouse of an individual is considered their next of kin. If there is no spouse, the role may fall to children, parents, or siblings, typically in that order. However, the specifics can depend on local laws and individual circumstances. It's important to note that the next of kin is not always the sole decision-maker. In some cases, decisions may require consensus among multiple next of kin or may involve a legal process to resolve disputes. Additionally, individuals can make their preferences known through legal documents like living wills or healthcare proxies, which can specify who should act as their next of kin in medical decision-making. In conclusion, the next of kin is a term used to identify the closest living relatives of an individual, often in the context of healthcare, legal matters, and inheritance. This designation is crucial for ensuring that important decisions are made on behalf of individuals who are unable to make those decisions themselves. While there are general guidelines for determining the next of kin, the specifics can vary by jurisdiction and individual circumstances, and legal documents can play a role in clarifying preferences and responsibilities.